Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect to Shopify in Make.com. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the basic process of creating a new scenario in Make and connecting it to Shopify. This is a useful setup if you want to automate tasks between Shopify and other apps inside Make. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your Make account and that you have access to the Shopify store you want to connect. Start by going to Make. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right workspace or organization, especially if you manage more than one. This can help avoid creating your scenario in the wrong place. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario canvas where you'll choose the app you want to work with. The scenario editor is where your automation will be built, so this is the starting point for setting up the Shopify connection. After that, type Shopify into the search area. As you enter the name, Make will begin showing matching apps and modules. Searching directly is the fastest way to locate the correct integration, especially if you have many available apps on screen. When Shopify appears in the results, click on Shopify button. This tells Make that Shopify is the app you want to use in this scenario. From here, Make will usually display a list of available actions or triggers related to Shopify. Now select a sample action. The exact action you choose may depend on what you plan to automate later, but for the purpose of connecting your account, any suitable sample action will help you move forward. Choosing an action allows Make to prompt you for the connection details needed to link Shopify. Next, select a sample connection. If a connection already exists, you may be able to choose it from the list. If not, this is where you would typically create or choose the Shopify connection needed for the module. Be sure you select the correct store connection if more than one is available. Once that's done, click Save. Saving confirms your selections and keeps the scenario set up in place, so you can continue building or testing it afterward. It's a good habit to save as soon as the connection is selected, so your progress isn't lost. And that's it. You've now gone through the basic process of connecting Shopify in Make.com. After saving, you can continue customizing the scenario based on the workflow you want to automate.